Did you know that some city-dwelling birds have learned to use cigarette butts to build their nests? It sounds bizarre, but these urban avians have discovered that the nicotine in cigarette filters acts as a natural pesticide, keeping their nests free from parasites. This quirky adaptation highlights the incredible resourcefulness of wildlife in urban environments. By repurposing human litter, these birds not only protect their young, but also showcase an unexpected benefit of our waste. Next time you see a bird's nest, look closely. You might spot a cigarette butt. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.